Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 152. I totally went blank. Sorry. Anyways, this is episode 152 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it's wonderful. It's such a great devotional. I say that every day, but I'm telling you, it is such a fantastic devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you would like to check that out, there is a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 152. The peace that I give you transcends your intellect. When most of your mental energy goes into efforts to figure things out, you are unable to receive this glorious gift. I look into your mind and see thoughts spinning round and round, going nowhere, accomplishing nothing. All the while, my peace hovers over you, searching for a place to land. Be still in my presence, inviting me to control your thoughts. Let my light soak into your mind and heart until you are aglow with my very being. This is the most effective way to receive my peace. So good. This was a short one, very short and sweet, to the point. The peace that I give you transcends your intellect. All the while, my peace hovers over you, searching for a place to land. You know, when we're trying to figure things out and we're looking for answers and where our minds just spin and spin and spin, and just like this devotional says, it goes nowhere. The peace of God comes over you. It gets in your mind and your heart, and your thoughts begin to slow down. It centers you, brings you into the present. So good. It says, be still in my presence, inviting me to control your thoughts. Have you ever asked God to control your thoughts? Have you ever even thought about that? Ask God to control your thoughts. Ask God to clean your mind up. Fill your heart with joy and peace, thankfulness. It will change everything for you. When you can see your life through God's eyes, it completely changes everything. I cannot say this enough. It can change your life. If I didn't have God's peace in my heart and my mind right now, I would totally lose it. There's absolutely no way that I could make it through all of this without God. I literally don't know how people do it. I just don't understand where they turn or how I just don't understand it. Take your thoughts to God. Take your worries to God, your troubles, your unanswered questions. Take those to God. And let God do with them what He sees fit for your life. So good. Let's do the verses. Now may the Lord of peace himself give you peace at all times in every way. The Lord be with all of you. 2 Thessalonians 3:16. Be still before the Lord, all mankind, because he has roused himself from his holy dwelling. Zechariah 2:13. Submit to God and be at peace with him. In this way, prosperity will come to you. Job 22:21. Did you hear that? Submit to God and be at peace with him. In this way, prosperity will come to you. Prosperity. Isn't that what we're all living for? To prosper? To be better? To do better? To want better? We all want prosperity in our lives. And God's the way to get it. Without him, you really have nothing. So good. Let my light soak into your mind and heart until you are aglow with my very being. This is the most effective way to receive my peace. Peace that transcends all understanding. It is a peace that I just can't explain. And I wish it for all of you. And you can have it. You just have to open your heart and your mind to receive it. Ask God for peace. Just be blunt. Say, God, I need peace in my life. He will give it to you. So good. All right, guys, this was short and sweet. This was very to the point, and I hope that I explained it well. But anyways, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you all so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.